Hey there, welcome to Skills and Beyond, your ultimate destination for unlocking boundless potential. Whether you are a student seeking guidance on school applications, a professional looking to enhance your skill set, or an adventurer eager to discover new opportunities around the globe, Skills and Beyond is your trusted companion on this transformative journey. In today's video, we'll be exploring a particular website called Excelerate. We will look at who they are, what they do, and how can Excelerate impact your life. Whether you are a learner, an employer, or an institution, you would really want to take advantage of this website and explore it to your maximum. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. Through Excelerate, you'll be able to gain experience, build skills, and shape your future. What they do is that they help connecting learners to their future careers, universities to their future learners, and businesses to their future talents. Excelerate is a global hub for career experiences, exploring your future readiness through experiential opportunities. So once you visit the website, you can just quickly go to the About tab and you will get to know their story, why the establishment of Excelerate. For some time now, you get to realize learning and adaptation are the only ways to stay relevant. Alright, let's get started. Now when you scroll down to the description, you will see that I've posted a link, experience.foraccelerate.org. You would want to click on that link and then it will take you to a page. This page. Now when you come in, you would have to sign up. You can sign up or you can just sign in with your Google account. So let's say you would want to sign up, you just click on the sign up, or you can just continue using your Google account. As for me, I already have my Google account, so I'll just continue using my Google account to sign in. Alright, so this is it. Now once you get in, I would want you to make sure to explore the website, the dashboard. Just go through, explore it for yourself and see if this can help you. You can go to the dashboard, go to the experience, global internships, competitions, events, power skill courses, career opportunities, engagement, master classes, etc. Explore to your benefit. You could see here that I have 4 total experiences. And this is how I started. I went to start developing your skills. Now when you go, you see tons of skills there that you can apply for. Some have scholarships, start date, and some are empowered and supported by other universities globally. So whatever certificate you will get from the Excelerate website is quite relevant. You get it. You just go through, explore, and see the business or the tech course that you want to apply that you think will be okay for you. If it is data visualization, just go for no more. Now when you click on no more, another page will pop up. You will get to know much more about that particular course. It is 4 weeks duration. It has a scholarship, $1,000 scholarship fee. You will pay nothing, and it is virtual. You will do it online. The eligibility is that you must be a high school student or more, and that is it. Then you just go to apply now, and then you follow this procedure, and then you apply. Just explore the website, explore and see how best this Excelerate website can be of help to you. You go to career opportunities, there are tons of careers there. Full stack developer, if you are into tech, and I think this is for you. You can just go to apply now, or you can go to know more to read more about it. So this is where we would want to end today's video. Try and then just explore the website. Let me know what you think. Let's see how best we can let others also know much more of this opportunity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.